hit the thumbs up, that's a like. Then hit subscribe and hit that bell. And watch my whole video. Hey! I'm back. That's right. Mr. Smith's Art Room for Kids is back. And my first video is going to be one of my favorite holiday characters. I'm not talking about Pete the Cat. I'm talking about those little guys that run around in spacesuits with the backpacks on. That's right, Among Us. And do you know, I was the first YouTube creator to develop an Among Us Thanksgiving turkey Among Us skin. That's right, it was me. So I'm going to update that drawing today, and you can follow along, have some fun while you're eating some turkey and some gravy and a couple other things, and make an Among Us turkey character with Mr. Smith. All right, get your paper, pencil, crayons, markers, whatever it is, and just watch. We have a curving line that's going down and right back up, and we're going to do that again, starting from the bottom, going straight. We're going to make a teardrop shape, going down from the beak and right back around. Now we're going to make a curving line going around the top and bringing it straight down to the beak. From that side, other side, we're going to go and make another curving line, and we're going to bring that around to the teardrop. We've just made his goggles. All Among Us, no matter whether they're turkeys or imposters, they have goggles. Now we're going to go up and make the curve for his head and come straight down. Now we're going to go to the opposite side and go straight down, curve around, and come up just a touch for his foot. We're going back to the other side, curve around, bring it up just a little bit, a diagonal line to join both. Now I'm going to make wavy lines for the turkey feathers on his chest. Now it's time to start making an oval shape for his pilgrim hat. We've made our ellipse. Now it's time to make the smokestack. 2 diagonal lines going straight up and a smaller ellipse at the top. Curving line at the bottom of the diagonal lines and a second curving line. Now I'm going to start putting curving lines, starting from the right side, then I'm going to go to the left side and just go up, out, and around. They're almost like upside down U's. Now we're going to do it again, up and around and around. Kind of joining each of the feathers. Now I'm making some smaller ones inside some of the larger ones. And later on I'll be creating a pattern of colors for my Among Us turkey feathers. Making the curving shape, which kind of defines his belly in a way. And I gotta put in his backpack. I've never seen one Among Us character without a backpack on his back. Now I'm going to quickly go in and outline with black Sharpie. And I'm also going to leave a link in the description where you can download a coloring sheet of my Among Us turkey for free. My way of saying Happy Thanksgiving to all my friends that are out there and have watched my video. And my way of saying thanks to all my faithful viewers. Now, as soon as I finish outlining, I'm going to then take my drawing and import it into my iPad, where I'm going to add color to my Among Us turkey. And if you're drawing along with me, you can add color using crayon, marker, or whatever color material you have or you like to use. When I'm at school, I draw with marker. But when I'm at home, I really prefer adding my color using the iPad. I like the way I can blend colors. It's just a very, very easy tool to use. The nice part about it, if you make a mistake, you can either hit a back button or just erase it. Well, I'm almost done outlining the feathers. And I'll be going on to adding color in the iPad. Here we go. I like an orange tone for his main part of his body. Always enjoyed the blue visor, yellow beak, red wattle. And this year, my change is the pilgrim hat. And I hope you enjoy me having my turkey in space. I think it's kind of fun. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and come back and see me again real soon.